Rizz theory.
Jason, the weenie Rizz theory, bro.
Rizzonomics.
Okay, so guys, so X. Okay, so here, okay, we'll have X as, so we have Z as the girl, right? So
Sure.
so X is equal to, how about we say X is equal to the chances of getting a girl, right? Chances of bagging, right?
Percent girl.
Yeah, percent, right?
And then you multiply
So
that by
Chances of bagging.
by
So here's the thing, right? So a
It's
girl,
a baggage.
Y'all need Jesus.
Wait,
oh,
you gotta indent it, bro. Actually, that's not it. Never mind. You don't even. Never mind.
okay, so we have to figure out. So
Why
we got.
Why is Eagles get out in the middle of nowhere?
Okay, my
Yeah.
bad.
It's
Okay.
indented. There's a bunch of lines indented.
Yo.
Ew.
Okay, so Z is the girl, right? X is the chances of bagging, and Y is equal to your personality, and let's say G is equal
G?
to, yeah, G is equal to, let's say it looks
This is
right.
so many variables.
So here's what we gotta
Here's
here's what we gotta understand, right? So you know the conservation of energy is
What besides now?
where did this come from?
Yo,
Where did this come
I think we
from?
got on the
Bro,
wrong
we were
track.
on
Right.
a science
Yeah.
project now.
So
yo,
guys,
my bad.
if you move a certain direction, there's a woman, and then there's the other one, there's not.
Yeah, we trying to draw a forest diagram, bro. Like,
The gravitational pull of the woman.
guys, paints.
Gravitational pull of the wrist.
Guys, I have an idea,
Guys,
guys.
don't forget the coefficient of
Okay,
friction.
guys. Okay, so we have the guy, right?
God.
Okay. And
why
then
is
we
the neck so
have-
long?
We have Jason,
Just
right?
like me.
Where's his penis?
Wait, no, Jason the weenie is a gravitational object, right?
Okay, so
And so when you're trying to compare the attraction between two objects, which is Mira and Jason the weenie, right? So
There's like a constant. There's like,
mass 1
gravity.
plus mass 2 multiplied by the G constant of
oh my,
gravity.
wait, that's the actual formula.
okay.
Over
Okay.
like other
Are you
something.
calling
Don't
them
forget to divide
objects
by R
'cause women
squared.
are objects?
Dude, why is Spears head so big?
Okay, guys. So think about it. Okay, if he moves this direction, this is the correct formula, right? If he moves this direction, this is not the correct formula.
Why are you
So-
trying X's and X
So,
like that?
so if you think about it, if he
The
moves
fuck are
this
we cooking right
direction, he'll like
You're so-
get
You look like a
Yes,
sociopath
no,
right now,
and it's gonna
bro.
go all the way there.
Because think about it. The less distance there is between them, the more his gravitational Rizz will gravitate towards Mira, right?
Wait, hold on.
So-
Oh.
So I think, I don't know if this is the equation, but I think this is.
Professor, why are you not sure about the equation?
Yo.
No, I think that's right.
Oh, is it? Oh, it's actually
I
right.
think it's R though on the bottom.
It's
Oh,
it's
Oh, it's R.
Like,
R doesn't matter. We have to change the variables. We're not talking about gravity. We're not talking about planets here. We're talking about Rizz.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, we're talking about Rizz. Okay.
you gotta
R-
change the variables. Like,
Okay. So R is.
so are
okay,
you gonna
so-
change like the G is like the
so-
Wiz constant?
Yeah, G is the Rizz constant, which is equal to is equal to 0.625 times 10 to the negative 10, right? So
Why is
What?
this the most
Wait, where do you get
random
those
number
numbers
ever?
from?
Don't worry about it.
I made it up.
Okay.
No, it's part of the formula.
Yeah, it's
Literally
part of the
anything
formula.
else.
It's just the
should be-
constant.
you should
Wait,
just
no,
add
but
an
you
E.
forgot about the part where you divided by 2 and then the power of square -2, bro.
What is he?
Bro, are you sure you shouldn't be using
Don't let
Avogadro's
this guy
number right
cook,
now, dude?
bro. This guy does not know.
The law
Don't
and
let him
base
cook.
of it,
Don't let him cook.
and the integral of it to get the final answer.
I think
Otherwise, it's not simplified.
I think we should conclude that this whole Rizz is just way too complicated and Jason has ascended.
Okay.
We
No,
got
no,
this.
no.
We can't
Yo,
give up
Jason,
like
We'll be the
that.
first
Jason
to
is the Newton of our
discover.
time.
We'll be the first to decipher
It's
Jason's
the
Rizz.
look, bro. Just like how Isaac Newton was the one to make a dissertation on the theory of black holes.
Oh,
I
God.
will be the first. I will be the Isaac Newton of Rizz. I will rediscover how Rizz
You're not
how
that guy.
Rizz works.
We're like you students.
Dude, guys, wait, guys. If you think about it, I think that Jason went to the Bermuda Triangle and then he like went there and then he got Rizz powers because you know if all those ships that crashed, what if they had like secret treasure and then they had all the
What?
documents to all the Rizz and then
What?
He got the charisma oath.
yeah,
He got the
What?
charisma. Oh,
charisma,
okay.
the
No, guys.
charisma.
Okay. No. Here's the build that you need to go. Right. Here's the build that you guys need to go for. Okay. Yeah, we're switching back. We're switch.
Oh my
Okay. We're going back to deep oaken Riz
Oh my
build, right?
God.
So first. Okay. So we got charisma. We got personality and looks, right? All right.
no, but you forgot about the freaking vitality, bro.
No, not.
The
Oh, the traits.
Okay, what about the
so-
race? Race.
Oh, race. Okay, so because Jason the Weenie is Asian, he instantly receives a +1, plus like a grade, right? A
Negative
grade
1.
on his personality and on his looks
Can you
and his
build different, like, can you make different builds for different races?
attractiveness, right? So these are like his like base stats, right? He gets 0 in everything else, but he gets this boost in looks and attractiveness, right? Because he's Asian.
Yeah.
Right.
Naturally.
So
Oh, and smart, you know.
no,
it
he's
does not apply
stupid.
for-
No, he's stupid.
No.
does
He
not
just
apply.
acts stupid. It's a
I
front.
don't know. Is intelligence part of the equation?
Yeah,
No.
I'd say so. Kinda.
I'd say intelligence is relative.
Yeah. Intelligence is
Oh my
okay.
God.
Yeah. Okay. So
What's the
okay.
ratio? What's
It's
like
a variable.
No. Here's the thing.
Like, Z
Intelligence is indirectly proportional to looks and attractiveness, right? Oh wait, we should probably put looks and attractiveness together. We'll just say attractive. So here's the thing, right? The more you put in attractiveness, the less intelligent you'll be, right? Because like you'll have more of an ego, right? Because you think you're pretty and all, right? So by
Well,
by
like, wouldn't
having
that
more
depend on
attractiveness
personality instead of
or
intelligence?
or by having a bit more intelligence, right? Intelligence, however, is directly proportional to personality, right? And charisma. And so the higher your intelligence is, the easier it is to make a build off of charisma and personality.
Okay, but aren't a lot of smart people like dicks? So isn't a lot of smart people have shitty personalities?
Depends on
So
the
is this
smart.
formula
Okay,
correct?
but it depends on the race. Okay, it depends on the race.
Yeah,
you
no,
roll. It
okay,
depends
no,
on the
if
race
you're an
you roll.
eight,
Wait,
no, okay,
I
okay.
swear to God,
No,
a bunch of
theoretically,
Asian smart
if-
people are very much dicks IRL.
that's because you're in
No. But
Florida or
if you
something.
roll the Asian
I'm in
race,
Maryland.
and then you'll get like
Because
a
you're
you'll get
Maryland.
a charisma bonus.
No,
Like,
I
you
feel
get
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
10.
No,
I
no,
feel
no.
like
plus 10.
attractiveness should scale with, like, I don't know. It should nerf intelligence though, because I don't. I think
Yeah,
I don't
no,
think
that's what we
so.
did. Attractiveness does nerf intelligence.
no. I'm saying it shouldn't. I feel like let me think. I think attractiveness should nerf like personality.
Oh, wait, you're right. No, you're right.
Well,
Dude,
it's like
this
on
is
a
dude,
counter
this is some
scale.
crazy patch notes right now.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
Update V
because
1.01.
then you're like cocky and you build like an ego and shit, you know? So
Yeah. Okay,
like
so we have this. So
intelligence can
attractiveness.
scale with attractiveness though. So the more intelligent you are, the less attractive you are. Like that can scale, I think.
Is this a separate ratio?
Dude, I don't know how this is gonna go down.
Okay.
Like, I'm
And
sorry.
then-
Wait, but
There has to be a more efficient way to represent these ratios right here.
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
probably not the best.
What if you just wrote them all in one row?
Okay, how about
like-
this? How about this? So here.
No, wait,
So
why don't you make like a pie chart? No, I'm sorry, not a pie chart, like a fucking
Google
graph.
Sheets?
No, wait. Oh shit, go open up Desmos. No, open up Desmos, yo, open up Desmos. Make it
Desmos?
actually tweeted.
There's so many variables.
No, so there's not.
What if we
tweeted.
simplified the
just-
variables down
Like
into
you
one
could like
equation?
put them in like a fraction equals fraction kind of thing, like symbolize the
Yeah,
ratios.
yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever.
Okay,
And you
so
could, like-
guys,
Exactly,
x
exactly,
equals
exactly.
y,
So
y
so
plus
we have
2 equals
so we
x.
have like so we have like y plus 1 over x equals z. You know what I mean? Like shit like that. You could.
Yeah, this is too complicated. Yo,
If you put it
yo,
into,
yo,
like,
freaking
I'm done. I'm too tired for this. I'm done trying to decipher whatever Tech
Oh,
is
like-
writing.
If the variable's in
oh.
the denominator, and then when it goes up, the whole
Yeah.
like fraction like gets smaller. So then the top gets.
Oh, you have to
bigger or
you have
something.
to make it a function. So you could say z of x equals, or actually,
Wait, what?
well,
Wait, no, you don't have to
it
do that.
wouldn't-
You just do y equals, right? On Desmos.
Well,
Why
yeah,
don't
I mean, it
you
doesn't really
just
matter.
Do like x equals Rizz plus y equals more Rizz, and then equals blank, and then that's your line.
Yeah, I don't. You can't put like multiple variables to like properly.
Oh, actually, no.
Dude, I
Well,
got
for
this,
Desmos,
guys.
you have to make like multiple functions.
Okay, guys.
So like if
I
you have a
got
y
this.
equals, then you could also have.
So, but then you,
like,
you have
an-
to like have a separate like function for each like
Oh,
individual
I'm-
Yeah.
relationship between two
You have
variables.
to have you have to have a separate function.
Okay, so you can like combine them afterwards or something. Log.
Oh my god.
okay, no. This is how his Riz works. This is how the Riz will
Oh my god, you're
stare.
using log. Oh my god,
Log
kill
is-
me.
No, what about exponential though? Like,
This is how the Riz will.
Log makes more sense than exponential actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
because
no,
right,
but
like
think
it's
about
Wait,
it,
so
though.
what does like x and y represent though?
exit. Okay, so y will represent like I wanna say like okay because you see how like his
Wait, Kalmar, are you recording by the way?
yeah.
so
Let's-
how about we go from like the synergy. Okay, so x will be like the synergy of like his stats attributes, right? And then y will be like the efficiency of his Riz, right? That's what we decided to go with. And so the unit that we've decided to come up with is
Riz efficiency post synergy.
no, yeah, it
No,
will
squared.
be
Reservation percentage.
just like
Res-
just like how acceleration is meters per second squared. It will be because what mass is measured in newtons, right? In grams, right? So newtons, right? So
Yes.
Newtons is force, right?
yeah, newtons is force. but like it
It's 3 a.m.
okay, right? No, that makes sense though because it's like the force of the Riz, right? So
No. I see.
We'll go with-
The
We'll
force
go
of
with-
Rizz, oh
we'll
my
go with
god.
Riz tons, you know.
What
Let's
the
do it.
fuck?
Let's
Rizz
go.
is-
This
That's
is
sick.
Wait
theory
a
being
minute. Wait,
being
wait,
put a
wait,
second.
Door.
This is
we-
history.
Door. We didn't account for when
So-
he parries the a negative personality effect.
You know what?
We didn't account for that part.
Well,
What if you
no,
like?
no, well, here's the
No,
thing,
that's
because,
we
like,
get to that
today-
later. We get to that later.
Okay.
like, the
We're only on the
coefficient
character creation
thing, the
screen right
coefficient-
now.
Yeah, we
like,
are.
the values-
we are- Okay,
Now
guys.
you get to
No.
insert
Okay, guys. We forgot to take into consideration though. Like we forgot to consider that like the rare talents and like the specialized talents he's gonna get, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
So
can you make different builds for different races?
yeah. Okay, but like okay, so we'll go with like light skin, right? Light skin darks. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think the main thing with light skins is that who joined? Oh, it's
What?
mid. Oh,
You missed quite a bit.
Mick, you missed a lot.
What's the issues with light skins?
Oh no, what?
There's no
We're
issue,
making a
we're just making
We're
build.
making
Making
a
a
Rizz.
new equation for Rizz.
We're making a Rizz Vulcan build.
It's a fucking bill.
Wait, that was the whole goal? It's not to like actually apply this into anything. It's just for debunking.
No.
No.
No, the
You don't get it.
We're,
You don't
we're
understand.
messing
Debunking
around. We're
comes
messing
back.
around.
This is like an
Deep
abstract.
is like as a what do you call it?
We're taking Deca's college course on Rizz theory.
Dude, I
What?
thought Deca was about to go to like the mall tomorrow or something and
guys,
start trying
this
to
is-
like Rizz up girls.
Guys,
like...
just like principles of comp
You can do that,
sci,
bro.
this
You
is
do
principles of Rizz. Okay, Rizzium.
EP Wiz principles.
Guys, I'm just saying, like you produce a material which has the element
Rizz
symbol
theory
RZ,
202.
Riznium.
Wiz Neum.
Man, I'm dead.
Found at Y11.
Dude, that reminds me of like plutonium and like balloons.
Plutonium.
Oh,
Wait, what game is that?
Rizztonium.
Balloons.
Like Monkey City?
Yeah, Monkey City.
Riznium goes easier on the tongue though. It's easier to pronounce, I feel like.
And what?
Than Riztonium.
Wiz, yeah, that's true.
Wizcraft.
Riznium is
Rizzcraft.
Rizzcraft. Yeah. My boy cooking
Rizzium.
Rizzcraft.
Nah,
Okay.
Rizzium sounds bad.
Okay, no, but here's what we decided, right? Like, we've
Rizz
decided that like the
Yo.
efficiency of Rizz is based
Yo,
on.
yo, I just keep, bro.
Efficiency
What about
of
Malice? Yo,
Rizz?
what would Malice be on
You
this
wouldn't
scale?
get it. You missed
Seems
a
like
large part of the lecture.
Yeah, you missed like. You
Dude, I
missed,
don't
like,
get it.
You're gonna have to
Pretty
rewatch it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So here's what we. Okay, I'll go back from the start, right? So Jason went, right?
Oh.
Guy, here.
Yeah.
I'll
No,
show
no,
you
I
what
don't-
he did.
I
I'll
don't
show you
wanna
what
watch
this guy did.
Oh my god.
I don't want to watch it again.
I don't want to watch it again.
We watched it twice already.
Jacob,
wait, was it-
um,
Jacob, we don't talk about.
welcome to AP Wiz Principles hosted by
Whoa.
Decaten.
What,
Yeah,
what is this?
AP Riz principles, right? So we're using Jason the Weenie as like a prime example of like how you can Riz up girls that seem out of your league, but you're just a really cool person, right? So using Jason the Weenie as an example, we have determined that through oh wait, hold on.
Pulling up the notes.
Ain't
Most
no way.
professional professors.
So here's
I made this
what
good
are
shit.
what are the equations we
Next
have
time you gotta be
here?
ready with the PowerPoints.
So the efficiency
Oh,
of
we
Riz,
lost him. We lost him.
we lost him.
Lost
You got
the soldier.
overwhelmed.
He got overwhelmed.
Dude, he didn't want to get any Riz. Too
I
bad.
think,
I don't
Bad
blame
for
him.
him, bro.
This isn't an
No, I
introductory
haven't-
course.
Alex is going to
yeah, it's
It's a
too
pretty
advanced of a
advanced
course.
Yeah.
church.
Deca, you've
So-
seen my Riz. You know I got
Dude,
it.
you got that traumatizing Riz. Have you seen what
No,
this guy
I
Mick
don't,
did?
dude.
What does that mean?
Wait, no. Let me show you what this guy Mick did, bro.
I have W Riz and that is final, okay? Are you pulling up the receipts right now?
You see this guy? Like, wait. I gotta go back. a
Why did
little
you
bit.
retweet every
Oh,
single one of them?
yes, this one.
Oh no.
I eat small children.
W is
It's W. Just relax.
W.
Crazy Riz.
Dude, that's an unfound kind of Riz. Like it's not discovered yet.
You got that hidden talent, bro. It better be hidden still,
be
bro.
hidden.
300 of the textbook.
That better be stay hidden, bro.
It's not in the textbook. Deca has to make a new one.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
it's not in the text. Yeah.
It's in volume 2.
Alright, we
You're a
gotta.
Riz scientist,
Wait,
okay?
guys,
I'm just
We
testing
gotta,
out theories.
we gotta document this. We have
Guys.
to document this,
No,
guys.
guys, look in general. What's he? He has Riz. Dude, we need his lecture. Yo. We need his build.
He goes to build.
No. Okay, no, guys. I know how to break down his Rizz, right? So you have to understand that Woodchi, right? So starting off with his main base race, right? Filipino, right? So charisma, personality, attractiveness, and intelligence,
And
right?
Osu
So
ability.
instantly,
Ability.
so
Finger
instantly his
ability.
intelligence and his personality goes up because that's just how Filipinos
Wait,
are, right? Filipinos.
so Filipino
And
is different from Asian.
and
So
so one of the
is Asian
talents,
just East Asian?
so one of the talents that Woodchi has for his build, right, is okay. So he has DCI marching band, Blue Devils, right? So that's like one of his like this is like a legendary talent right here, bro.
Oh,
Like
legendary.
yeah, like
Oh,
he's not
wait,
incredibly lucky, but like or it's a specialized talent. It's an advancement. So
Wait, what do you mean? What?
so basically what this does is not only does this improve his attractiveness, so attractiveness goes up, right? Like that boosts
He
up by
just is attractive, right?
right? Yeah, I
Yeah.
mean he is, but like
Yeah.
because he's like fit, right? You know, that boosts attractiveness, right?
Yeah.
And it also boosts intelligence much more as well.
intelligences. Plus, plus,
Because he
Intelligence.
has
plus.
multiple intelligences. What doesn't make sense here?
Oh my god.
and so because of this, right? This kind of offsets the downsides because his talents. So while the base attributes might weigh down some of the stuff, if you have good talents, so talents are more of like think of it. We'll replace that with hobbies, right? Hobbies. Okay, right, hobbies.
Bees.
And so
Huh.
basically what this means is that by selecting good hobbies, you will eventually end up negating all negative effects of Rizz, right? Of yeah, all negative effects to your Rizz. Because there's no point. You're confident, you have good hobbies, like you enjoy life, right? Like that's like mentality. Yes.
Oh shit! Utomi is a minus.
Yes. Asians all get a downside mentality, unfortunately.
Oh, oh
But
Like
shit.
Filipinos too?
because of hobbies, right? Like like the mind, like the negative just comes from like parents, right? Like your parents, you know what I mean? Like so
Yeah.
so unfortunately that has to carry on through your race. And so in order to negate that by building good
The boons and
hobbies,
flaws.
yeah, your boons and
Wait, shouldn't
flaws.
you add like
Yes.
confidence to one?
Oh, yes, right. Goes in
Wait,
first.
but what happens if like you're not top 3? You just
Top-
didn't learn anything, right? Isn't that how it goes? That's what Andrew Tate told me.
Isn't Andrew Tate like really good at bagging women? Isn't he like the best at it?
Yeah.
Isn't that why he's arrested? Because he was too good at it?
He was
He
too good
was
at bagging
too-
women.
He got that illegal Rizz, bro. He got that human trafficking Rizz.
Oh my god.
So what he's in jail for?
He got the undiscovered Rizz that no one wants to discover.
Wait, what is that like that mode that you like kill people in Deep Broken? Is that edutate?
Dueling?
No, there's like a I forgot what it was. Like Curtis wanted to grip you a lot to like unlock it or something.
Oh no, I think that was like actually I don't remember.
No, it was like a-
It was like
was
bounty
like
or
a-
something.
No, it was like a different.
Like, without laughing at all, like he just sounds completely serious. Like, he just
No.
genuinely believes in this.
No,
there is
okay,
three.
no. We dissected Witchy's build. Here, we'll send it to him. We dissected your
Yeah,
build.
that in general.
Teacher, how much longer is our lecture?
Our lecture will go as long as until we figure out a definitive equation.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
dude, make
This isn't
your
even a
own
lecture.
build.
This is just like a philosophy class. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well,
Philosophy on Rizz.
it's principles of Rizz. What do you expect? AP
Yo,
principles.
dude, make your own.
Principles of Rizz.
Okay,
I think
guys.
we should dissect more people's Rizz. So then, like,
I think
Yeah,
we
yeah,
should
yeah.
dissect more
Make-
people.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
True.
Dude, I might fall asleep in class.
Cut me in half.
Like I don't know. Is then yours said comma has good Rizz? I think right. And dissect
No,
comma's
I
ass.
never said that. I've never
You
said
were
that.
hit. No, nah. I dissect comma.
Okay,
No,
so
What?
I would say the second
Is this
best
like the-
Riz. I don't know actually, because I've never seen anyone here except for Thomas' face, so I wouldn't be able
Really?
to
You
tell.
said I don't know. You said he walked
I've
funny,
only
but in
seen
like a
Thomas
good
face.
way.
Walked funny? What?
No, I've seen your face. I've seen your face, of course. I've only seen you and Palma though. I haven't seen anyone else.
Ooh.
Bro, if I saw Deca in real life, oh my god.
Hey, chill.
Yo,
Oh,
Kyle, bro.
I
you should-
mean,
Aren't you underage, Deca?
guys.
I mean, we're
Okay,
all
sus
underage.
factor, right?
Oh, in-game,
It's
in-game.
kind of
Lost factor.
sus factor. All right. Let's talk
Oh
about
no,
this.
what is this?
So this is
I'm
similar
still
to
like-
like gaining insanity, right? In deep focus. So in the depths. So basically
Oh god, we need willpower.
being
it's
in
going
the
back to people.
being in the depths is like going through Tinder, right? Going through Tinder, social media in general, right? And so like because women suck, right? So most of the time, sometimes, okay, maybe not, maybe not. They don't.
Dude, I love how you
Remember.
just make it like, like each time you just like, oh my god,
Pull the
make it less
180.
severe. Yeah.
Okay, so but yes, this is the sus factor, right? And because no one wants to go out into the dating world, right? Like everyone will just be chill with their homies, right? But the downside to that is the sus factor, right? Like the count, like the mirror to insanity and deep, right? So the more you suffer heartbreaks and failed talking phases, the more your sus factor will grow, and eventually you will become gay.
I'm
And that
actually learning
is
something right now.
Wait.
Yo, this
What just
proves my
happened? I was
second-
spaced out for like
Or
5
every,
seconds.
or every 15-year-old trans Osu boy on Twitter becomes trans.
and so
Become a femboy.
the best way to do this
Become
best way to-
Taquito.
That's trial.
is to go through trial, which means talking in the group chat with the boys. This is the trial of deaths, right? Like,
Trial of what?
okay,
Shoot, is it Trello 1? Is Trello 1?
the trial of one is Kumon.
Hey, what is that?
Oh
What
my
is that?
god,
Oh
Kumon
wait,
turns
you guys don't know what Kumon is? Oh crap. Okay, we
Bro,
can't use
come
that.
on, yeah, I guess if you're not Asian, you wouldn't know what Kumon is.
Trial of
basically just like
1
a
is
tutoring.
Diamond 1.
I mean, it's not tutoring. It's like you take classes to like advance your math skill and shit.
Yeah, it is like crazy hard from what I've heard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no. The trial of one is getting a phone actually, right? Like
That's like
just
the
remember that
boost.
this Rizz is like you're making your build like early on in your life, right? Like you have to like gain all these life experience, right? And so like getting a phone is like the trial of one, right? Because that's when
Yeah, true. If I
you
had a
have
phone, I
that
wouldn't be wasting
that's
my
when
time
you
just
have that
playing
like
right
gateway of like to all that social media, right? Being able to access everything.
Coming
And
in
if you and if you make the wrong step, right, you'll end up in the depths, okay? You'll
Dude,
end
but,
up
like-
on those social medias.
Dude, imagine though if like Trial of 1 is like learning how to cook.
He's cooking right now.
Teacher.
He's been
That's
cooking.
what you
Yo,
pointed
yo.
to. Learn the cooking skills.
All right, guys.
Okay, now
I
anyway,
think-
you should just make more builds. Like you can
Hand
just
raising
make
emoji.
Alright.
just make a build of
Raising my
everything.
hand.
All right, no. I think I think I figured out the equation. So
Teacher.
you guys know the decay what is it?
Half-Life
Exponential
formula.
decay.
Social
Yeah.
decay. Dude, I
Yeah.
forgot this shit, bro.
Exponential
I
decay,
remember
right?
this.
So here's the thing, right? A girl will have like so for a girl to fold for you, right? Like the chances of bagging, or we'll say girl, right? Okay. So
Chances of
they,
backing.
they'll obviously, so we'll go with Z, right? So Z is equal to so, and then so here, okay. I forgot how to use these
I
equations.
literally don't know what this is
I
anymore.
forgot how to use.
You
Okay.
have to do a decimal.
Yeah, it's 1 minus R. Yeah, it's
Yeah, just
just
use
Okay.
a
1 minus
decimal.
the rate of decrease.
I know what
Oh.
fucking integration rules.
Okay, so initial amount,
Oh
right?
my God.
Okay. Oh my god, I forgot how to make this equation work.
It's so doomed. I actually did this like a month ago.
Initial amount.
So
I did this in
yeah.
algebra 2 in freshman
So
year.
we'll have the chances of bagging, right? So like right now, the chances of bagging is, we'll say it's, or not.
0.
No, we'll say okay. No. How about this? We'll change one of the variables. We'll change x to like a girl, like their shield, right? Like you know
Huh?
how they like break down their like shield to like open themselves to you. Like you have to get to know them, etc., etc.
What if they
So
pair
right,
Yeah.
you?
you know what I mean? Yeah. So we'll have x.
Like the
So
Duke.
1 minus, right? 1 minus, and
Rate
then
of decrease.
we'll put the, okay, so this is when we have like the combination of like equations, right? So you guys remember the efficiency of Rizz, right?
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So we'll make y, so
Y
this
equals 10 log x.
so it's 1 minus y, right? Which is the efficiency of
What?
Rizz, right? So
What
this
Wait, why are you
is,
putting the parentheses in the math equation?
Yeah, bro.
so
That's not how
1
math
minus
works.
y, and then this is to the power of, okay, so we don't want to put time, right? Because like time, I mean, yes,
No, but
time
if you think
does.
about it, how much girl you're gonna bag within a certain amount of time?
Oh,
Think
you're
about
right. You're right. You're right. Yes.
Bro,
Yes. Yes.
make
Time.
comma the
Good
two.
idea.
Time. Right. Okay. So this is our formula right here. We
Oh
have,
my dude.
so bagging bagging a girl is equal to her defense, her mental defense is multiplied by 1 minus efficiency of Riz to the power of time.
Okay, wait. But how is it's funny because one makes no sense here because a girl isn't a number. A girl isn't a number. How do
No,
you,
it's
how do you,
No,
how do
it's
you
the
no, it's
it's
plug in
bagging a
the
girl.
the
It's a
shield.
number. It's actually a
It's
number.
the shield. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wait.
like the
We changed the
So
variable.
wait. Okay, I get it. So
we.
basically, bagging a girl is a constant of time then.
No,
Yes,
it's a.
yes.
Oh,
Or
okay.
I
I thought
think
it's like
that
or-
it's like
probability. Like,
or I wouldn't say it's a probability. I think it's more of like working your way into like the girl's like mental, right? Like
Okay, wait,
work.
but like, how do you? Okay, so how do you calculate shield?
Dude,
it's just,
how
it's
do we
constant.
calculate the
It's
chances
a
of
constant.
It's a
bagging?
predetermined constant.
Dude,
Yeah,
don't.
Okay,
it's
but
a,
if it's a constant, then like,
Actually, no, it's not
how do you
constant,
plug
but
in the
it's like,
values to solve
it's
for
person
Z?
dependent.
yeah. It's person dependent.
Okay,
Wait.
like
fine. So
you
then,
put them in like a
so
big machine
everything.
thingy, and it
Every
spits out a number,
person
and that's the
like
shield.
requires a
For
different amount of
example,
resistance
okay,
to
for example,
reach the
let's solve. Okay,
required level of Z. Okay, like
let's solve for Decaten and his Roblox girlfriend. Like, with this formula. Let's solve for it right now. Plug the numbers in.
Or you like plug in the numbers as an
Yeah,
example.
plug in the numbers and see what it is.
Doesn't
Okay.
even
And
work.
then you
let's
just
see what this
subtract
looks
them.
like on Desmos.
Let's see what this looks like on Desmos.
I don't think
But it's
that'll
not gonna
work.
work.
Tekka,
Not
you
gonna
No,
work
need
because
to
there's
because
three
there's
variables.
3 variables. 4 variables.
Yeah.
You could actually no, you can make this work.
Unless you
Make
like.
the y lower y,
Oh, okay.
lowercase y. And you just have to make x equal to like a inequality, like x is greater than 0, less than 30. in a separate
No,
thing.
no, no, no. In a different line. In a different line, you do it. You set x a value. No, make sure it's the same x. It has to be like the uppercase one. Yeah.
X is greater than 0, but less
I mean, yeah,
than.
that works. No, no,
I
that
think
that's
they're the
fine.
same sign.
You know what? Honestly, that
No, also do
uh,
it for z.
No, just sign X as 1.
Oh yeah, you can have the sliders. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
And then you can like
and then
check like
that's how you
different
input
values.
different values for x.
Yeah, and then you can do it
Yeah,
for like.
but you have to do it for z. Well, like the thing
We do
is,
it for
there's
T,
two
right?
random
Because
rules, so
isn't Z like?
it can't solve for z.
Don't we
Yeah,
need
add a slider for
don't we
t.
need to add a value for like T?
Oh my god, wait, it actually fucking works.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Make sure x is greater than 0.
Wait, but is it actually like solving for Z? Like the
Well, it is.
the graph?
It
Because wouldn't it
is,
just
but
do Y?
wait, no, wait, scroll up. I mean, it's
Well, in this
technically
case, y
solving for
is z.
z.
Yeah. Wait, is it?
Bro,
Wait, no, scroll up. Wait, did you delete the old y, or is it still there?
The Y is here.
No, like the previous equation of y. Yeah, okay, so you deleted that.
Bro, I'm going
So,
to
yeah,
Y has
lose
to be
my
equal to
mind.
something, is what
Oh
he's saying.
no, guys, we made a fatal mistake. We made
Yeah,
a fatal mistake.
you never
Yeah,
said
you
y
forgot to
equals
It's
include the
y.
because
Rizz equation.
it's because we're trying to think of like shield, right? But no, we're thinking of it wrong. We should think of it as like the girl's affection towards you. You know what I mean? Like breaking down a shield doesn't make sense, but a girl's affection towards you, like increasing, does make sense.
Like the
What about the
natural?
girls' Rizz though?
Well, I mean that's
That would
the
just
affection though.
increase or
Well,
like decrease
technically
x at that
still Riz
case, wouldn't it?
because your increasing Riz would make the girl more affectionate for you.
Yeah.
Like,
In some
would
cases,
increasing
I
your
mean,
Rizz also increase the girls' Rizz?
Well, the
Yo,
girl's Riz
I'm
is kind
just
of
saying,
irrelevant
bro.
We
This
care about the
equation
girls.
is about to. This equation's
because
gonna go
your Riz will
crazy.
get
Dude, I want to go to bed, but I'm freaking recording.
Oh my god.
it's worth it. It's worth it. Don't worry.
It might not be worth it.
So like what variable would be okay? Because like I think we should change it. We should
Surely we have a
definitely-
lecture 2 tomorrow.
So instead of Z, okay, girls affection, right? So I think we should change it a little bit, right? Because here's the thing, right? Like a girl's affection will always increase or decrease depending on what you do. But if you're always like if you're always going to be like we're going to assume that you're always affecting her in like a positive way, right? Like obviously that's not true, but if you communicate well with your partner, etc., like it will always be at like a relatively like stable like linear graph, right? Like this, right?
okay.
And
Well,
like
then if we're solving for girls' affection, then it shouldn't be to the power of time anymore, because it should.
No, it should
well,
be
no,
because
no, no.
think about it, because over
No,
time,
because
Well, it's not
over
about how
gonna
long
gain
if you do
affection.
nothing, then it
but
decreases
how
over time.
affectionate she is. But isn't it about how affectionate she is, not how long she's affectionate to you for?
No, but like the affection is gonna like change depending like how long the time goes on, right? So you have to have it by the power of T.
It's like time as time increases, like affection decreases, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's a thing though, because
No, you
if
can
it's
do that.
to time, then different variables could alter it. You know what I mean? So it's like
No.
it's like it's like um it's like are we calculating for how long she's affectionate to us, or how affectionate she is
I think no, we're
at a given
calculating for
time?
how affectionate she is, right? Through our
Yeah, so if we're
action.
so if we're calculating for how affectionate she is, then it shouldn't be to the power of time.
No,
Time
he's right
should
here.
be
He's right here. Because if we square by time here, then it's essentially saying that their affection increases over time.
exactly.
It's
So
counterintuitive.
exactly. So if we're trying to solve at a given time,
You
how
also probably
affectionate
want
she
to
is,
set y
then
equal
it shouldn't be
to
to the
the
power of time.
Rizz
Okay. So
equation on a different line.
let's change the formula. So if we're calculating for like how affection shapes at a given time, then time should be in the parentheses probably, and then it should be to the power of something else.
But that's because it's in like exponential decay. Well, it's not anymore, but like exponential decay is like when time increases, then like the function decreases.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, but
let's
that's not how
look at a
affection
different.
works,
Let's
though.
look.
We have to find a
Well,
different formula.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, I don't
No,
think
it'll
it should be
become
exponential though.
it'll
I feel like
become a decay
it
function
would
as long
make more
as
sense if you're
as long
calculating
as the
A
value is
function.
below
for
one.
affection at a given time, then it should be just like it shouldn't be a specific like exponential function. It should just be like a per like any quadratic or any polynomial equation pretty much, like not exponential, because then that wouldn't be accurate.
No, dude, I
Like
think our
exponential would
equation's
only
fine
make
right
sense
now, bro.
if it's
I mean,
exponential would
quadratic
only
might
make
work
sense
better
if
because
we're calculating.
quadratic is like exponential but less, basically.
Well, yeah, sorry, not quadratic. I
Oh
meant
no
just
no
like
no
any
no
polynomial.
no no! I think log worked fine, right? Because log
Actually, yeah,
caps
yeah, you're
out.
right. No, log, yeah, log,
Log
No,
caps
log
out.
no,
Wait,
log is
log?
infinite, right?
Well, not at
Well,
the
everything's
what do you call it?
infinite,
The
sorry.
x-axis, or like the what do you call it? I don't even know what you call it.
I mean, I don't think it had. Okay, well, if you think about it though, it doesn't have to be any like type of type of equation like this. It could just,
Like
it
no
could
no
just.
because think about it. If we set this like if it caps out at 100, right? Let's say 100's like the max efficient, like the max
Log
affection that
doesn't
you can get.
cap, I don't think, on y.
Well,
I'm
Well,
breaking up
no,
the
no, no,
Yeah,
but
mathematical
we
hold
can
on,
add
formula.
a
hold on.
domain restrict like a domain restriction, right?
Here's the thing
Yeah,
though,
Like
that's
like
true.
x like
there
y
there will
cannot
be ups and downs though. There will be ups
I
and downs, so
What
that's
do you
why we
mean?
can't have a log or exponential formula, because
exactly right. But we can have domain restrictions. Like we can say that her affection caps out at 100, right? Like
You're not gonna scroll
well,
to it. You're not
if you
gonna.
want a domain restriction, then
You're not gonna get
we don't
there.
need a log for
You're
that
not gonna
though,
get there.
because the thing is, if it's a log, then you're implying that it's still increasing over time. Like it's at a slower rate, but it's still increasing over time. So the thing is, it's not constant though. So if you want to have ups and downs, it's gotta just be like a
oh
log wouldn't work for that, you
oh
know?
I know what you mean. Oh, because okay, because you want to put like multiple polynomials, right? That will decide.
Yeah, yeah. So I
But you
think that
mean what?
what we should be
Like
using is like
x plus
PVA. No,
x plus.
look at the equation for like position, velocity, and acceleration, because then you can solve the affection at a given time. Just look at like yeah, you see what I mean? Like the graphs, like there's ups and
Oh,
downs. See what
oh.
I mean?
So
See
we're
what I
we're
mean?
we're like we're like breaking up the Riz
Oh no.
into like setting.
Alright,
We
I'm
like.
gonna
Do we have the whiz now?
dude, I'm
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
lose my
Dude,
mind.
how
So
did
if you think about it,
yo, how did we get some math involved in this? This is so funny.
Dude, can I just go to bed?
Yeah, okay. We'll stop here. I think this is a good. I think
okay, tomorrow,
Class
tomorrow
is
we
over for the day.
class will be
Okay.
over.
This
What's the
isn't a
next
class anymore.
section?
This is a research.
This
This
is
is like
research.
guys, don't worry, guys.
This is
I'm gonna
my
get my
this is
PhD
my
in Riz. Don't
PhD
worry. Yeah, we're
dissertation
getting
for
guys. Don't worry, guys. We're getting our PhD in Riz thingy,
We
Rizzology.
got this, guys.
You have to
Rizzology.
name the document
Rizzology.
Rizzology. Name the
We fucking
document
whiz.
Deca.
Rizonomics.
Name the document Rizzology.
Rizzology. Rizzology.
Because now here's the thing, right? Here's the cool thing though about the PVA graph. Because if you take the derivative of if
You said Windcraft. Holy shit.
Dude.
sorry,
He's all 21.
Are you
What
serious?
the fuck? He's on the grind.
I've been playing.
Holy
How
fuck.
is
if
he
you
already
take the derivative of
21? Are you
affection,
serious?
then you can solve for another constant, which we can find out tomorrow with further research. But if you have, say position is affection, then then you can take the derivative of affection to find something else, right? And then you can take but you can also integrate that to find affection. That's my PBA.
Wait, what's
for
your
semester, that's-
DPS? What's your
Rate
DPS?
of
Like,
affection. What does that mean?
56.
Holy shit,
wait,
bro.
wait, what's your
Holy
click on
shit,
the character stats.
oh yeah, the rate of
Wanna
affection.
see.
Rate of affection.
Like,
It's
go
like
to
the
your,
slope.
no.
It's like the way, like, I don't know.
Go to the sword. The
But we
sword.
just said the rate of.
We
The
just
rate of
figured it out.
affection.
We figured it out.
50.8.
I see.
The rate of
Okay.
Wait,
affection
have you been using
could
your
be
skill
equal
points or anything?
to how much you
I
like
have,
you
yeah.
overall. Because
Yes.
or actually, no. The rate of
I
affection
see
is
the
equal
vision. I see the vision
happiness is a
because
relationship.
think about it. Acceleration.
Yeah, I've been using my
acceleration
skill points.
in a acceleration versus time graph, like that
Dude,
will
I am gonna
determine
lose
like the
my mind.
velocity, right? And so if we sub in velocity
Exactly.
for affection, right? So that means our y in the acceleration versus time graph can be like how much force or like how many like positive actions, like how are we affecting her, like
Exactly, bro.
positive.
Holy fuck, bro. We're
Yes.
geniuses.
We are
Holy
We gotta save
shit.
it for next lecture.
Holy
We are
shit.
genius.
Oh my
guys.
god, no, we're
Guys.
coming back.
Alright.
Fun
putting in-
fact, I've been recording for 45 minutes.
Okay.
Oh
Uh,
shit.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys,
no,
we
you've
have
been doing
to.
this for 2
Uh,
hours.
It's gotta be
I
enough.
will end
Okay,
today's
Okay, come on,
lecture
yeah.
in
No, no, no.
Rizzology.
Go upload it as an unlisted video. I want to see this.
Yes,
Dude.
yes, comma, please post the video, bro. Oh
Okay,
my
I
god.
will. Don't worry,
Alright,
guys.
thank you. Wait,
Alright,
I'm
see
gonna
you.
live stream the next one, bro. Don't worry.
See
I'm
you,
gonna-
boys. Okay, wait, guys.
Rizzology
Yo,
live
Guys, we
stream.
gotta do our
Make
YouTube
sure-
outro.
Yeah, ping.
Okay,
Oh shit.
Wait,
Make
no,
sure
guys,
Yo, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. Make sure to follow everyone on Twitter and Rhythm Game. Follow me back on Twitter. You haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
Make
That's tough.
What the
This
fuck?
guy
make-
is
make
so
sure to,
climbing. This guy is
we
so
caught him now.
make
Okay,
sure
boys.
to
Fulcrum gonna be
have a
back at
good
it
night.
again. Watch my part 2 with Rizzology.
Yeah.
Goodbye.